Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at the top 10 gadgets every outdoorsman needs to survive any situation. These aren't just any tools, they're designed to make you feel like a survival pro. From high-tech to old-school basics, these are the gadgets that can make a real difference. And remember, all our videos come with exclusive links in the description where you'll find discounts and the best deals we could find for you. Just scroll down, click, and see how much you can save. Don't miss out. This looks like a shovel, but it's way more than that. It's the ultimate survival tool. The EST Gear Survival Shovel has 18 tools packed into one, including a shovel, pickaxe, saw, knife, axe, fire starter, bottle opener, and even an emergency whistle. It's all made from military-grade aluminum and high-carbon steel, so it can handle everything from digging trenches to breaking down branches or even cutting small trees. The whole thing screws together tightly and packs down small for easy storage in a backpack. And get this, it even has a screwdriver and a compass built in, just in case you lose your way. This shovel's ready for anything you can throw at it in the wilderness. The Life Straw water filter isn't just convenient, it's a lifesaver. This compact straw filters out 99.99% of bacteria, parasites, and even microplastics from contaminated water. You can drink straight from lakes, streams, or rivers, which means you're never without a fresh water source. It's good for up to 1,000 gallons. That's about 4,000 liters of filtered water. No batteries, no chemicals, just straightforward filtration using advanced hollow fiber technology. Perfect for hiking, camping, or if you're in an emergency with no clean water around. Just pop it in your backpack and know you're set. When the winter chill bites, the Cozy Zone rechargeable hand warmers are here to keep you warm and connected. This compact gadget cranks up the heat to a cozy 131 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, and it offers multiple heat settings so you can adjust for maximum comfort. But that's not all. It doubles as a powerful 10,000 mAh power bank to keep your devices charged when you're off-grid. Each charge powers the warmer for 8 to 15 hours depending on the heat level, making it ideal for long, cold hikes or nights out camping. It's small and ergonomic, fitting perfectly in your hand, pocket, or glove compartment, and warms up fast to give you instant relief from the cold. So whether you're braving a winter hike or just battling the chill at a campsite, this little hand warmer is your all-in-one heat and power source, ready to go wherever you are. Rapid rope isn't your average rope. It's a super versatile, ultra strong cord packed into a compact waterproof canister. With 120 feet of high strength rope inside, this little powerhouse can hold up to 1,100 pounds. That's more than enough strength to handle heavy duty tasks like securing gear, tying down tents, or even helping out in a rescue situation. And because it's housed in a handy canister, you don't have to deal with the usual knots or tangles. Just pull out the length you need and use the built-in cutter to trim it on the spot. The waterproof canister keeps the rope clean and dry, so it's ready whenever you are. It's perfect for stashing in a backpack, toolbox, or glove compartment, meaning you'll always have some heavy-duty rope close by for unexpected situations. With Rapid Rope, you've got instant access to a rugged, tangle-free rope that's prepared to tackle whatever your adventure throws at it. Randy Sun waterproof socks are a game changer for any adventure lover who doesn't want to worry about wet feet. Yes, you guessed right. They're fully waterproof, super breathable, and designed to keep your feet warm and dry even when you're knee-deep in streams, puddles, or slushy snow. The secret lies in their unique 3-layer construction. There's a waterproof membrane snugly sandwiched between a moisture-wicking inner layer and a durable, abrasion-resistant outer layer. That means they don't just keep water out, they also let sweat escape so your feet stay fresh and blister-free. Plus, they're made with a seamless toe design for extra comfort, which is essential for long hikes or camping trips. Even if you accidentally dunk your foot in a puddle, get caught in a storm, or trudge through a muddy trail, Randy Sun has you covered. They come in various lengths and thicknesses to match different activities and climates, so you can count on these socks no matter the conditions. With Randy Sun socks, soggy feet are officially a thing of the past. The Titan Survival Blanket is an absolute must-have for anyone serious about emergency prep or outdoor adventures. Made from tough, tear-resistant material, this blanket isn't just any emergency throw. It reflects 90% of your body heat, helping you stay warm when temperatures drop or you're caught in unexpected weather. And it's not just for warmth. You can use it as a ground cover, rain shelter, windbreaker, or even as a reflective surface to signal for help. Weighing next to nothing, this blanket is compact enough to toss into any pack without adding bulk, but it's built to last, so you can reuse it whenever you need. It's also equipped with military-grade paracord that's woven right into the edges. That means you're not only staying warm, but also have a sturdy, multi-purpose cord on hand for setting up a shelter, securing gear, or even fishing line in a pinch. From survivalists to hikers, campers, and just-in-case planners, the Titan Survival Blanket is designed to keep you safe, warm, and prepared for anything Mother Nature throws your way. This little beast, the Surviveware Firestarter, is all about reliability, even in extreme conditions. It's crafted with a high-quality magnesium rod and a built-in ferrocerium striker that generates super hot sparks at about 3,000 degrees Celsius, making it easy to light a fire even in windy, wet, or freezing conditions. The striker itself has an ergonomic handle to make sure your hands have a firm grip, so it's easy to control even with gloves on or in challenging weather. Each rod is rated for over 12,000 strikes. Not only does it make fire starting easy, but it also includes a small built-in lanyard and a whistle, so you're always ready to signal for help if things get intense. If you've ever dealt with soggy matches or ran out of lighter fluid, you'll appreciate that this bad boy doesn't rely on fuel and is totally waterproof. The Red Camp wood-burning camp stove is an awesome choice for those who want a lightweight, portable cooking solution that doesn't rely on gas canisters. Weighing just a pound and crafted from durable stainless steel, this stove is built to last while staying compact enough to easily pack along on hikes, camping trips, or outdoor adventures. The best part, it runs on natural fuel you can find anywhere. Twigs, leaves, pine cones, even small branches, so you're never left hunting for fuel. Setting it up is quick and easy, and the stove comes with a removable ash plate that makes cleanup a breeze, so your camp area stays clean. This stove doesn't just heat up fast, it's efficient for both cooking and boiling water, making it a great option for whipping up a hot meal or cup of coffee wherever you are. It's the ultimate companion for anyone who wants to keep their gear light, but still have a reliable cooking option, rain or shine. The Wicked Laser's flash torch is the flashlight to end all flashlights. It's not just lighting up your path, it's powerful enough to ignite wood, start a campfire, and even cook an egg in a pinch. With a scorching 4,100 lumens, it's probably the brightest flashlight you'll ever handle. The flash torch is built from aircraft-grade aluminum, making it super durable and able to handle rugged outdoor conditions, bumps, and bruises. So it's not only powerful, but tough as nails. It's rechargeable with a custom-built battery, giving you 30 to 60 minutes of continuous runtime on the high setting, with lower power options to conserve energy if you're not looking to start a fire. It even comes with heat-resistant lenses and reflectors to withstand the high-intensity light without overheating. And don't worry about accidental activation. It has a safety lock to keep that crazy power under control until you're ready to unleash it. Great for signaling, cooking, or just intimidating the darkness. The flash torch is not a tool for the faint-hearted. It's for those who are ready to take survival seriously. Last but not least is the Garmin InReach Messenger. This is a must-have for explorers, hikers, and anyone who ventures off the beaten path. Using advanced satellite technology, this compact device lets you stay connected from the most remote locations. You can send and receive texts, share your GPS location with loved ones, and even call for emergency SOS help with the touch of a button. No cell service needed. It's designed specifically for those who want peace of mind when going truly off-grid, providing a reliable lifeline if things go sideways. With up to 28 days of battery life and power-saving mode, the InReach Messenger won't leave you hanging on longer treks. It pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can use it to send updates or check in with family and friends. And its intuitive app interface makes staying connected easy, even in remote areas. Whether you're solo hiking through a forest, trekking through mountains, or just wanting to stay safe, this device would be your personal safety net in the wild. Well, that is it for this rundown, guys. These are some serious tools designed to keep you safe and prepared for anything nature throws at you. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome gear. Thanks for watching, and stay ready out there.